All for one, one for all. Now the way things go take better. Look my back, I look your back. Now the way things go take good. Good day, Nigerians. Good day, Africa. Solidarity forever. One love with better style. Africa people make una come o. Nigeria people make una shine on the eye. Make una shine on the eye where we make sand no go enter. President Muhammadu Buhari, I salute you. General Muhammadu Buhari Tuale. I dey see your handwork for my fellow Nigerians body. I dey see your handwork for the whole Africa body. You do well. President Muhammadu Buhari, salam alaikum. This not be wetin we vote you for 2015. President Muhammadu Buhari, many Nigerians don tire before you come dey lie give us, before you come dey bamboozle us, before you come dey play us 419. You say within 6 months, you go eradicate Boko Haram, say there be small boys, say you are a general. You say you go create 20 million jobs. You say you go do electricity. You say you go create better security, say we no go dey panic anyhow. But now, reverse is the case, President Muhammadu Buhari. President Muhammadu Buhari, see the statement wey you make or wey you dey talk, say make dem come go do Ruga settlement for all Fulani herdsmen. E don dey escalate o, e don dey cause problem. Yawa don dey President Muhammadu Buhari. 3 days ago, the Arewa youth for North talk say they give the governor from South 30 days. Say if they not revoke or return that their statement, say they no get land for Ruga settlement, say they no go fit guarantee the safety of the Southerners wey dey for North. President Buhari, na you cause that one. And I wan use this media talk to all the king wey dey for Nigeria, because we dey see una and I dey finish for Aso Rock again, because e dey una eye say some of una still want ministerial position even as una be king. Oba, Igwe, Ichie, Obi, Alake, Oni, abeg, we use God beg una. If una check am well, na we dey serve una. No president dey serve una, no senator dey serve una, no minister dey serve una, no governor dey serve una. Na we still dey serve una, na we still dey come dobale for una. Na only when these senators and ministers and governor wan contest for election or dey get political function, na dem dey remember una. So na we dey there come rain come sun, even when una no dey take care of us well, we still dey dobale for una. So I use this media beg una, make una help us, make una dey stand for our behalf, make una no dey sell us out because of money. If una wan do politics, make una come out openly, make una join any political party, make we know so una dey political party, make una no dey claim a royal father of the day till dey sell us out. And another one wey I wan talk now, those of una wey dey for social media, wey dey form activists or wey dey talk one or two things, or dey talk say una want the betterment of Nigeria, shame on many of una. I no need to call name because I'm not against anybody. Those of una wey dey fight against una sef, first of all, una no know wetin una dey do. That strength wey una take dey fight una sef, take dey complain about this one, take dey leak the other one secret, dey leak the other one yansh. Make una gather am, make all of us form one force. Make we take fight the federal government of Nigeria lawfully. I no mean say make we carry stone and knife and gun take fight anybody. Let's know our right and let's stand by it. Ruga settlement is a scam. The federal government of Nigeria and President Muhammadu Buhari is looking for a way. They dey find the way they want to Islamize Nigeria and make the bring Ruga settlement come. They want plant Fulani herdsmen around the 36 states for Nigeria as their soldiers in case anything happen, make them forget the upper hand. We disagree with from the south, from the east, and from the west. Nothing like Ruga settlement. President Muhammadu Buhari no get right over any state of the act of land use. Now only governor get right to talk wetin he wan use the land for his state do. No minister, no senator, no president, no commissioner go fit talk say see wetin go happen for this land, except say the governor of that state talk say he support am and he agree. And I thank God say the governor from south now, all of them don reject Ruga settlement. Now, President Muhammadu Buhari or the federal government of Nigeria, they not bring out money come, make the Igbos take go do their import and export business, or give them money make they take start spare parts business, or give the Southerners wey get the crude oil, wey get the land wey crude oil for the come, give them oil well. Port Harcourt, Bayelsa, Delta State, where the main oil dey wey dey move Nigeria forward. Even the Amananyabo of Bayelsa no get oil well. But meanwhile, the people for Jigawa State, they talk say the oil wey dey for Bayelsa State na their birthright. Say Bayelsa na their birthright, say na their land. There many of una keep quiet, they look anyanya. Una dey wait make God come from heaven, come save Nigeria or come help una. Una dey go church, go dey pray every day, they do fasting and prayer. While the Fulani herdsmen dey carry AK-47, they give their 7-year-old children. They practice how they want to fire una. If we did una or they pray our Lord's prayer. Then una dey there, they clap, Chineke, Chineke, they dey there, they shout, Oluwa, Oluwa, hey Oluwa. They go fire una for nothing. Una not go take precaution. Una not go protect una self. Nigerians. Make una shine una eye. Who don't die, don't die. You know they come back again. And this is a message to the United Nations, UN. I beg una no need to wait, make many things, or people don't they die before una will come in. Just like the one that they do for Sudan now. People have been dying in Sudan for the past 6 months. In fact, since they divide Sudan to North and South Sudan, Sudan never get peace. Sudan never get settlement. Then UN go sit down, they lean back. UN go sit down, they fold their hand. They go they count 1 or 2 year laws. Saying I make they never approach the matter, make they never do the matter. Just like the way Paul Biya kill over 3,000 people from 2018 reach 2019. What the United Nations they do? Who and who unite United Nations? Fellow Nigerians, United Nations is not coming to your aid. These so-called big men do not give a damn, do not care about you. You have to stand for yourself. You have to unite, because I talk am before and I go still talk am again. United we stand, divided we fall. Until the day we choose to unite in one word and one voice and one strength, all of us go perish together. So, my fellow brothers and sisters, make una stand up, make una say no to Ruga, make una say no to President Muhammadu Buhari settlement for Fulani herdsmen, make una say no to corruption. Fulani herdsmen not be Nigerian. They come fight us, come conquer, come impose this their Islamic law against us. And I use this medium beg the royal fathers of the day, make them not they take side, make them stand neutral, and make them defend us against harm. Africa unite, Nigerians be wise. Solidarity forever, one love with better style.